Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you these horrible weeds, dandelions mostly. I've got my path. I'm using some nice organic, it's just table salt. I'll show you what I've done here. Just weeded all the way down the bottom there, where I'm not going to replace too much salt. So what I'm doing then is here, what I need to do with this is quite easy. Just plenty on the centre. You can do this 2 or 3 times until they're gone. No harsh chemicals, totally organic. Just don't want it too near any of your plants in your borders. So I'm going to use this in my paths. First one I've done it this year. As you can see there, just right in the middle there. Leave it on for a couple of days, and if it's not rained, I add some water to it, and that seems to do the trick just fine. Let's add some more. That's table salt's really cheap as well, a lot cheaper than buying commercial weed killers. That's it. Yeah, once these are done, I find it keeps them away as well a long time. A little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to right down to the bottom there. That's it. Once you've done this, leave it 2 or 3 days. Not any rain, just get your watering can, bit of water on, and they'll all stop turning black then. Here we go. Now I only had probably 1/4 of a bottle here. That's enough to do most of the path. Last one's down here. And then I shall get some more delivered with my shopping on Monday. I'm just going to use this little bit here. That's it. Because you can't get to these without actually digging your path up or using really harsh chemical weed killer, this is a really good solution for hard to reach weeds. So yeah, I thought that's only took me 2 or 3 minutes, and that's all this path done, like so. Absolutely empty now. I've used commercial weed killer in the past. I've got a pet cat, so I'm not keen on using that anymore. So salt every time. I get plenty on there. All the way up. All the way to the top. So yeah, any questions about anything that I do in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like it. It does help my channel. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.